Looks like we are live now. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, a couple days ago, I mentioned that Bitcoin may visit this area, $28,000. $28,000, 200 would be the vicinity where I was expecting Bitcoin to visit. Remember? Just two or 3 days ago, I mentioned that, and look what happened. I mentioned that when we were around 30,260. 30,260, I said that I would not be surprised if we go hit between 28 to 28,200. So here we are, and now I just turned bullish. Look, I have the proof here. What did I say? I would not be surprised if Bitcoin comes and retests this level. It's possible, okay? I wouldn't be surprised if we get a 5% or 4% drop in Bitcoin. 5 to 7% drop. I would not be surprised if Bitcoin hits $28,000, 28, yeah, somewhere around there. I wouldn't be surprised. 28 to 2,800. 28,200. Yeah, that was my target, and I think we achieved that. And now I am bullish. Let's just make sure that, okay, the audio, the desktop audio is not too loud. Okay, we'll turn on the music and let's get the show started. Okay, so what do I expect now for Mr. Bitcoin? I think we have reached the level that I was expecting. You know, going a little bit more, it's possible, but I don't think it's necessary. 28,268 was, I would say, very close to the bottom, and now we should reverse back. Next 2 or 3 days, I would expect a bounce to $30,000. I would say a bounce of between 5 to 7%. I would not be shocked. A 5 to 7% bounce to 30,200, 30,250, even 300 would not be surprised. You know, it will happen quick. Okay, it'll happen quick, and you might see that happen this eve. We might go up to 29,500, just jerk off a little bit, and then before we hit 30,200. Yeah, and then from there, consolidate in that range, $30,000 range, and then one more dump to this 29,200 mark, probably 29,000, possibly $29,000, and consolidate, you know, and start gradually creeping up to $31,000, and then boom, a huge candle would go to 35, between 35 to $37,000. This is what I expect in the coming days for Bitcoin. So $30,000 in next 2 or 3 days, and after that consolidation, a dump to $29,000 or 29,200, and then consolidation again before we pump to $30,000 mark, 35,000, 35, between 35 to $37,000 mark, where this is where Bitcoin is going, somewhere in May. Okay, so we still have a lot of time to waste. So we could, you know, be wasting a lot of time here before we go to $35,000. Between 35 to 37, there could be a pullback. A pullback won't last that long, maybe a week and a half, and then we go back again, going up. But that's how I see. So next few days, you know, lots of ups and downs, you know, $30,000 consolidation. Yeah, so I am gearing. Are you ready for the altcoins? Because, you know, your altcoins, like the way I expected Zilliqa. See how Zilliqa acted. Where is Zilliqa? Yesterday I mentioned that Zilliqa, I expect Zilliqa a dump. Right, look at this. It just dumped right to the level that we were expecting. Right. So next few days, it'll consolidate. You see a small pump, 2.03, then dump back down to this region, pump again, and then we pump back up. Okay, so that's how I see Zilliqa the next few days. Again, consolidation in this region. Until Bitcoin consolidates, Zilliqa is going to consolidate. So a few more days right here before we move back up to this region. I would say Zilliqa, I expect us to reach 618. That is, yeah, 618, a little bit above 618 would hit this number. I would say 0.04, 0.042. I would not be surprised if Zilliqa hits 0.042. Yeah, and consolidates over there, you know, and gets a small pullback. 0.042 or 0.044. This is where Zilliqa is going. But it has a period of consolidation, which will come right here. You know, it has to consolidate. So a few days of consolidation here before gradually we move back up to this region. Okay. How's everyone? Can you hear me clearly, loud and clear? Ned, yo, Shrek TV, baby. I saw you leaving donations on Fresh and Fit. Yeah, this was from yesterday. How's everyone, man? I can't see the chat. What's up? What's happening with the chat? Why am I not able to see the chat? Where's everybody? Can you hear me? Okay, got the chat now. Blake Dillard, looks like BTC going to 24K, then to 40K in summer. No. Bitcoin. Thanks, bro. You told BTC going to 28.2 and it's done. You saved my money, bro. Can you please check flow if possible? Michael, next big RES is on 24.9. No, not going to 24.9. The retest is done of 28.2, possibly $28,000. I wouldn't be surprised, but that's it. We are going up 30,000 in the next 2 or 3 days. We will be up by $30,000. Okay, 2 or 3 days maximum. Blake, I hope you're right, man. I wish I had that Pepe coin 5 days ago. I know. Free. What's happening, brother? Sup. Mr. Moose. Shrey, where do you see BTC going peak before halving? When is the halving? Man, I don't even keep track of halving. I'm looking at BTC. BTC going to $55,000, brother. You know, initially there will be a stop. $35,000 to $37,000. You will get a pullback. This is where I'm expecting BTC to go by May. By May, we should be somewhere around $35,000 to $37,000. Between 35, 37. Just rewind the video. I went through BTC analysis. Yeah, but I do expect, see, $30,000 in next 2 or 3 days. Once that is done, I expect a pump, you know, pump back up to 29,300, possibly today evening. You should see a pump in next few hours to 29,300, consolidate a little bit, and then go up to 30,200, 30,200, 30,300. This is the level where Bitcoin's going in next a day or 2 days maximum, right? This is a 4-hourly chart, and then consolidate a little bit for a few days here in this range between 30,000 to 29,700 range. Consolidate a few days here and then dump to $29,000, 29,200, 29,000. Yeah, this is where I would expect to dump, and then come back up to 30,000, consolidate a few days, and then start going up. A huge pump up to between $35,000 to $37,000. Yeah, that's how I see Bitcoin moving up. I see a correction between $35,000 to $37,000. You know, you could see a nice, good size correction. I would say if we go to 36, I would expect a correction. 36. Yeah, I would expect a 10%, at least 10% correction. Once we hit 35 to $37,000, 7 to 11% correction after that. So yeah, but we will be moving up. It'll be just for a few days, a few weeks, maybe a week or so. We would consolidate like that and then boom, move back up. Okay. Bitcoin's not going down, man. Forget about $24,000. It's not coming. Bitcoin's on a roll. A lot of people, man, you had this much opportunity. Like, this is crazy. God has given you so many opportunities. Like, we were here almost a year. People who wish for lower prices, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Look at this. You had all this time. To buy, to accumulate Bitcoin. Right? If you were in this range, anywhere you bought in this range, you are a winner. Okay? In this range, if you bought anywhere around $20,000 range, if you bought, because we stayed here for how long? Look at this, man. If anyone cries, 264 days, almost a year, man, almost a year. That is ridiculous. This kind of consolidation for such a long period, $20,000, yeah. I think, yeah, we are going up, man. It's done. No more sideways action, and going up will be fast, and it'll be steep. The curve will be steep. We'll be going up fast, quick. Okay, Bitcoin going to $100,000. All right. Bitcoin is going to $100,000. If we go to $35,000, this is it, man. 35, consolidation, go up $75,000. Bitcoin will make $75,000, and then huge dump, and then go to 100,000. It'll happen. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet. I like this track. That's the message these content creators are promoting, saying Bitcoin is going to tank. I'm going to DCA no matter. I'm going to Florida Keys tomorrow, vacation. Nice. Blake, nice. Are Rarible still alive? Yes. Flow is right time to buy. Just check Shrey. Okay, Flow. Let's look at Flow. Look, if anything changes, I'll give you a heads up. I'm not like how shall I say? I go with the evidence. Okay. Nothing is certain, right? In cryptocurrency, I go with what Bitcoin is showing me. Okay. Like how Bitcoin is leading me, it tells me that what next few months is going to happen. So if Bitcoin shows me some signs, if Bitcoin drops to say $24,000, it shows me the sign of weakness. Okay? If it drops to $24,000, that means from there it'll pump to $34,000 to $35,000. That's it, and then expect a huge dump. There'll be a second scenario, right? But if Bitcoin does not go to $24,000 and from $28,000 keeps on going up, right? We have a correction to $28,200, $28,000 and pumps up in next 2 days to $30,000, then I will be correct. Then Bitcoin will be going to $35,000 to $36,000 next correction, and then go to $40,000 correction, $55,000 correction, $75,000. Okay, so that's how I expect. Anything changes in between, I will let you know, right? That okay, things have changed. So depending on what signs Bitcoin shows me, I'm not God, right? I'm just an analyst. I see what evidence is presented to me and I decide where we are going. And I'm not correct all the time, right? I'm a human being. I have errors, right? I can make errors. But, so far, so good, right? I've been correct on the bottom. I've been correct on, I expected $30,000. Look back on my videos from December of 2022, from November of 2022. Look back on those videos when Bitcoin was revolving around $16,000. I kept on saying we are going to $30,000. Okay, and we did. And from $30,000, I was expecting a dump, a big dump, right? But I changed my view because the evidence is showing me something else now. Okay, I was expecting a dump from $30,000, a huge dump, right? But I changed my view because things are different now. The way we are going is different. So I do think that Bitcoin is going up to $35,000. And this is where we would get some correction, 35 to 37. And you get a, nice, good size correction over there. Let's see what he's pumping and what he's dumping. Bloody LCX is pumping. Better pump, motherfucker. I'm stuck in this LCX. Better pump. Cartesi, Poly, Derivia DAO. I haven't looked at Derivia DAO for a long time. Let's look at Derivia DAO. What is happening? Oh, we were supposed to look at Flow. Ronak wanted Flow. I'm bullish. Right now I'm bullish, okay? Because I expect Bitcoin to hit $30,000 in next 2 or 3 days. So I expect a pump. But depends on your coin, okay? The pump will depend on your coin. Next few weeks is consolidation for Bitcoin. Nothing's going to happen for next 2 or 3 weeks. Nothing huge. You know what I mean? It'll come probably kiss 268. So it's still not done yet. I don't think it's done yet. The bottom is not in for this coin. You can see something like that. Okay? Something like this. I would not be surprised because if I see something like this, go up until end of August, and get a pump. Possibly 150 to 200% pump. And then dump back down, get a double bottom. Close to the double bottom. And then, go up, waste some time. Then its cycle starts like this. Okay. You could see something like this. And it's possible it creates a bottom right here. Somewhere in 2024, it creates a bottom. It's either here or either here. It creates a bottom, which is lower than this bottom. Okay, it's possible that it may go down as low as this number or lower than that before we go up for flow. But right now, I think, yeah, we would go. I would see a pump of this level. Yeah, I would not be surprised if it pumps to $3.35, but I wouldn't expect anything exuberant, you know, nothing exciting for a long time for a flow. The time will come for a flow, but when, you know, I can't say that. Right? What kind of cycle it takes, I don't know, bro. There are times when cryptos like this just go ballistic and just go, you know, prove everybody wrong and just pumps up massively, right? Pumps up massively, but that it's like one in 10,000 crypto does that, okay? Which pumps massively, massive pump. Right, it just goes ballistic in just few days. It just keeps on going up like that. Keeps on going up. Right, and then consolidates. Consolidates before a new cycle like that. Okay. So, which cycle it takes, I don't know, but I don't think so. I would say the majority coins, how they act, if flow will act like that, right? If flow acts like that, then you would see between 150 to 200% pump, and then it'll dump back down. If it acts like the majority coins, majority assets act like that. If they have corrected, you know, so you would see a nice up and down. Consolidation, and then the new cycle starts. Okay. Top Cat, how are you, brother? How are you? Many new people here, man. How long? How did you? I want to know, where did you guys see my channel? How did you came to know about me? Skyly and Top Cat. Mr. Mouse, looks like you guys are new here. Ronak, thanks a lot, bro. Sure, anytime, brother. Anytime. DDX, Derivia DAO. This has the same cycle like the other coin, brother. You know, the one that I showed you right now, like flow. Very similar structure. Again, I would not be surprised if we go hit this level. $1.44. You know, even pushing it might push to this level right here. Like the wick could go to 190. It's possible. Like that. A pump up to 190, and then you see a dump. Right. When exactly, I can't say that. But this would be the range for me, between 140 to $2 would be the range for this coin, Derivia DAO. I think this will be huge. This will be huge in 2025, 2026. Massive. This could go above $100. Above $100. You know. But let's see. Okay. Long time to go. 2025, 2026. So we have to waste time in between for the Rivia Dow. So we could go up, consolidate, you know, and then we could start our cycle in 2024 going upwards towards our target, right? Towards $100. It's possible to reach $100. Depends how we act here. Everything depends on that. I would say whatever pump comes, you know, I would take some profits because at least one pump and dump is left in the Rivia Dow. One pump and dump. KG, I have been with the channel for about a year. Was good in the hood, Shrey. How are you, brother? KG. Top Cat, good mate. I think it was Chris Bitcoin. Okay. Silent Doom, 420 day and no Elon Doge pump. Okay. Silent Doom. We'll look at Elon Doge. Ned, found your channel from SLP. Oh, okay. Killian Brew. Top Cat, thanks, brother. Killian Blue, what's up, Shrey? I just got lucky and you got recommended by the algorithm. Wish I had found your channel sooner, though. Happy to be learning. God bless. Sure, Killian. How are you, brother? Welcome, welcome. It's good that YouTube recommended my content. Perfect. That means, yeah, it's working. See, all your likes. Make sure to hit that like. You know, if you like, then my content gets recommended to other people. Thanks for 449, Top Cat. Appreciate it, brother. That one SLP video you made turned me into SLP Moonboy. Yeah, with time, man. Have to have patience. With coins like SLP, have to have patience. Have a long-term strategy. You know, depends. You know, short-term strategy, 3 cents, 5 cents. Yeah, it's not bad. I think I found you through the algorithm as well. Free. I'm thankful. Oh, awesome. Awesome. So YouTube algo gods are helping me. That's good. I always say bad things about YouTube. I shouldn't. I should start appreciating YouTube, right? But think about it, man. You know, they let us live stream for an hour. This is phenomenal. Their servers taking so much load. But I think this is where blockchain comes into existence. When, because imagine about how many? 7 billion, 8 billion people live on the planet. There are 2 billion people, 2 or 3 billion people don't have internet yet. And they all will get these phones in the near future. And the internet will be really cheap in these third world countries. So all these people will come in and, you know, there will be more people streaming, more people doing lives. So how will YouTube servers handle this kind of load? They cannot. So they will need computer power. So like Theta, what it does in blockchain, it takes your computer, your cell phone's GPU power, and, you know, so that way, the only way to scale so that everyone in the world gets fast internet is through blockchain. That is, Theta is solving that problem, and that I feel that everybody in the future will be using Theta. That's why Samsung, Sony, all these big companies are node validators. Google is a node validator for Theta. I've not seen any project, any single project where these companies are behind that project. Okay, Theta is the only project where I see companies like Samsung, Sony, Google are node validators. That is huge, man. They must have seen something in this coin. That's why they're after it. Theta, that's why I have my bag of Theta since I bought. I've never touched it. No trading, nothing. Not gonna touch it. Okay, Theta is gonna be huge, and I will have a small moon bag for the future. You know, for my kids and their kids, right? A little moon bag. I'll leave it when Theta hits $1,000 or $2,000, $3,000 one day. When it's going to happen? Maybe 2030, 2035. I don't know those prices, but $35, between $30 to $35, I would get rid of some of my Theta. $30 to $35, and yeah, expect a huge dump after that, and then I would buy back in at somewhere around between $8 to $10, and then ride the wave again. But I love Theta. Where's Bitcoin? So 28 to look, it's coming to our price. It hit $28,000, guys. What did I say? Hold on. You need to see this. You need to see this to believe it. Okay. So I was sick that day when I made this video. Would not be surprised if Bitcoin comes and retests this level. It's possible, okay? I wouldn't be surprised if we get a 5% or 4% drop in Bitcoin. 5 to 7% drop. I would not be surprised if Bitcoin hits $28,000, 28, yeah, somewhere around there. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, because you see this arc, we have 18th of April. Okay, guys, $28,000. Look at that. Everyone's like panicking. Oh, what is happening to my Bitcoin? Oh boy. See, the pump is going to be magnificent to $30,000. All the shorts are going to get wrecked. $30,000 next 2 days. Boy, $30,000. Take it to the bank. $30,000, okay? Right now, Bitcoin's sitting at $28,000, okay? You heard it on Straight to the Baby. Yeah, man. Love it. Look. Bitcoin just hit our target area, right? $28,000. We mentioned on our live just 2 days ago that I would not be surprised if Bitcoin hits $28,000, 28.2. We did hit that target, and I would expect Bitcoin rally back to $30,000 in next couple of days. You see how big these candles are? Just like that, I would expect these two candles, big candles, next 2 days, 2 or 3 days, to 30,000, between 30,000 to 30,200, maybe 300. That's where we are going in next 2 or 3 days. Boom. Straight TV, baby. Top Cat, actually, it was crazy for cryptos. Really? Did he post something recently from my videos? Top Cat, crazy for cryptos. I have not posted. I have not spoken to Dave for a long time. I'm still his Patreon. I speak, Dave and me usually talk, but it's been a while. We haven't talked on the phone yet. So I haven't sent him any charts yet either. Has he posted any of my stuff recently on his Patreon? Bitrod, sup Shrey, good man, Max Freeman. Hey Shrey, how are you, Max? How are you, brother? Sang Fruit, great call, Shrey. Thank you, brother. Max Freeman, Are you DCing into Epic yet? Bro, it's tough for me to buy. Where do I buy your Epic Cash? How do you guys buy? Once any decent exchange in the United States, if I'm able to buy, bro, I will get into it. I really like the project. I like the chart. This is going to do wonders. I can tell you. Epic Cash will do well in this cycle. It's going to have a huge cycle, but I don't like to go on exchanges which I don't know. I already have 5-6 exchanges, and my money is already distributed right into several altcoins, right? So I haven't bought in yet, but I would love to buy. I like the chart. You spend a lot of time on TA. How about reviewing relative performance of a $5, say, DCA holder of Epic Strategy? What does that mean? You spend a lot of time on TA. How about reviewing the relative performance of a $5, say, DCA holder of Epic Strategy? Top Cat, it was a long time ago. Okay. All right. So, Epic Cash. What are you talking about, Max Freeman? I have not called any guest on this show. You want to be my first guest? Max Freeman? Are you the one? Are you the founder of Epic Cash? If you invested 20 a day into BTC since March 13, 2020, you now have 31K. Okay. You mean DCA in Epic Cash? Okay, I get it now. I get it. Okay. That same money into Epic delivered, 254K. Not even close. Okay. Got it, brother. But yeah, if you are the founder, I think you are Max Freeman, right? Because somebody told me that Max Freeman is one of the founders for Epic Cash. I have not called guest on my show, but looks like the Epic community is really strong, and I would love to give you exposure, as much as I can. I like the project, and I like the enthusiasm behind the project. Anyone that I spoke to who likes Epic Cash has been very, like crazy about Epic Cash. I like that. Community makes crypto. It's the self-belief system that you believe in money. Money is about, anything. And back in the day, people used to call these shells from ocean money, right? We had different forms of money. So a trust between people is called money, I would say, right? If you and me decide that this phone holder is some sort of money, which is rare, right? Then it becomes money. So yeah, I do think the community is really solid, and I think it'll do well. The chart looks good. I like it. Sang, yep, that was me. He's the founder. Okay, so Max, you want to come on the show? I will buy another software, probably StreamYard, where I will be able to stream you. Right now, I use an OBS software where I don't know how to call a guest, but I will, buy another software just specially to bring you in. It will take me a few days, but we can talk on Twitter, right? Back and forth. If you want to communicate with me, Twitter is the best way to reach me, and we can communicate. And I'll let you know when we can call you on the show, and we can do. I can prepare extensive questions, and you can answer them. Right? I know you don't like to show your face. You can wear your mask. Yep, Max. Because I looked him up on several videos, but I was not able to see his face. So you can wear a mask of the profile picture that you have here. But why did the music stop? Okay. You know what Proppy is? Proppy is like Zillow. Zillow of blockchain. You know what? Everybody knows Zillow, right? If you know anything about real estate, you know Zillow is a real estate site. Zillow and Trulia are owned by the same company. Imagine Zillow and Trulia are on blockchain. That is Proppy. Proppy, you can do settlements on blockchain too. You know, you can pay by Bitcoin and stuff like that. You remove the middleman. The idea is to remove the middleman, like especially the title companies and stuff like that. If transactions of real estate starts getting on blockchain, that'll be awesome, man. You won't need a title clearance or any other sort of things, right? If everything is on blockchain, especially related to real estate, then the extra money that you spend, if the title is clear or not, if there are any liens on the property or not, all that stuff goes out of the window because everything's on the blockchain. You cannot cheat the blockchain, right? If the county, you know, the property tax records and the title companies, title insurance, you know how much money you spend when you buy a house. You have to spend money, especially this is bogus money, I feel, especially the title insurance money. You can check by yourself if there are any liens on the property, but an average buyer does not know how to check that, right? That's why they buy title insurance, and the title company usually pushes the title insurance on you. And you know, you're buying it for the first time and you don't have much know-how about real estate, so you're like, hey, okay, charge me $2,000, it's fine, you know, for title insurance. I want to be secure, right? But you can go on the county records and make sure there's no, you know, lien on the property. It's very easy to look up. So yeah. I wouldn't be surprised. $13-14 13 to 14 bucks for this coin. $13-14 for this coin. Yeah, Proppy is gonna pop. Yeah, man, this thing's gonna pop. It's gonna be huge. Yeah, at least, you know, 10x to 15x. I would say 20x. Easy for Proppy. The next wave is going to be big. Look at that. It's going to be massive. I like the consolidation as well for Proppy. This is huge. When this thing pops, it's going to be huge. $12. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. $12 to $13. Next target for Proppy. A new all-time high. Yeah, $13. It came close to its all-time high, but I think now it'll be able to reach its all-time high. $13-14. Yep. Big, massive. Coming soon on CoinStore and Change Now. Okay, I'll be able to get it from Change Now and do any wallets. Which wallet supports do any of the hot wallets support Epic Cash? Like, for example, what are the hot wallets? Exodus, Atomic. Any of the wallets support this, or you have your own wallet? I know that Epic has its own wallet, right? Download it and you can put Epic on Epic Pay app. Okay. We can do a giveaway. Okay. Look, I don't want to be one of those YouTubers, Max, who gets, thrown under the bus for promoting a project. I don't want you to give me any money, okay? I want zero money. It's just through goodwill, brother. I just like the chart, and I like, especially the way you are busy in the community, right? I like the fact that you are so involved in this project, right? That's the only reason I would like to, bring you in the show. And if you want to give to other people, do a giveaway for them, yeah, sure. They'll be great. But yeah, I wouldn't be taking any money from any projects, because these YouTubers who took money, they'll be screwed, even if it's sponsored. Even they say it's sponsored. I don't know, man. I don't want to get into it. But he means to your followers. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, to my followers, absolutely. Giveaway, do a giveaway. Absolutely. That'll be great for anybody getting free Epic Cash. If somebody downloads Epic Cash wallet and you do a giveaway, something like that, that'll be awesome. Less W. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Just let me know on Twitter. Here's my Twitter. My Twitter is Shrey TV Crypto. Okay, that's my Twitter. Shrey TV Crypto. I don't respond to other people's messages. If I have previously, spoken to you, or, we have, which one's Max Freeman? Let's do Epic Cash. That's Epic Cash official. Right, I'll follow Epic Cash. Okay, how about that? Okay, guys, follow Epic Cash. We need to get this community big. So I assume you must be in there and you have access to this page. You can contact me, right? And we'll talk. I can get the software. It'll take me a couple days to get that software and do a live session. You may have missed it, but Max agreed to come on. Okay. Max, did you? Okay, coming soon to... Okay, where we can do a giveaway. Yeah, sure. Let me know. Just text me, please, so we can coordinate the dates and times. And I don't want to be a bad stream. I want it to be a good stream. So I will make sure I learn how to do that, because I don't know. I've never done an interview with another person. So I don't want any glitches. So I may just call one of my friends, test that out first, and then do it with you. So that way we don't have any issues. But I will have to go, try that StreamYard tool right away. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, because right now, man, I want everyone, especially my followers, to get into, because I expect a huge alt season coming soon. Right, take advantage of these low prices. These prices are really low right now. People don't realize what an opportunity it is. This is going to be one of the best bull runs ever. Crypto is going to explode. People cannot even fathom where we are going. Okay, this is going to be huge. The amount of money, people don't realize the amount of money that the governments all around the world have already printed is enough for us to pump. Okay, but they are going to print even more. In the next 2 years, they're going to print crazy amount of money. Okay, that's how the market's going to go up. Epic fam here today. Yeah, a lot of people from Epic Cash. Man, you're a hardcore. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, I love Bitcoin Cash too. But we can coexist. There's not just one currency. We can coexist, right? Right now, there are several currencies. So why can't, we have new currencies which are on blockchain, which are different from, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. I like these two. Epic Cash could be one of them. I like Horizon. That is another one I like. It's called Zen. Z-E-N. Horizon. Let me show you. Horizon is another crypto that I like. See? I expect a pump in Horizon as well. Yeah, $100 pump in Horizon. I would not be surprised if Horizon pumps. Yeah, a 10x pump for Horizon to $100. Yep. This is fantastic right now. This is a great deal. Horizon sitting at $9.83. Phenomenal, phenomenal. Is the Epic Pay app available on iOS? Okay, so it's on iOS and Android both. That's awesome, man. That's fantastic. Start with VITE wallet. So that's the exchange you can buy this too. But people in the United States, can they go on that exchange as well? Look at this. Epic Cash. Is that the VITEX? Is that the one? $24 million market cap, Epic Cash. If I am a US resident, can I open an account on VITEX? That's my question. I've never heard about this exchange. Blockchain DEX by the community for the community. VITEX is a decentralized exchange with own native token VX. Currently, Vitex has 4 major trading markets: Vite, BTC, ETH, and USDT. So, decentralized exchange. It's the future. Decentralized exchange is the future, I feel. If they don't bring a new law and shut it down. How can they shut down a decentralized exchange though? You know. So here you can buy Epic Cash. Vite is available in the USA. Okay. Trade Epic Cash or Horizon? Bro, I like both, you know. Cadillac Crypto, yup. You can live in the States, okay. Sang, okay, I may be mistaken on that. Epic Cash is another exit liquidity. Stark Origin. Cadillac Crypto. Send BTC or USDT into White wallet, then trade for Epic. See, every Stark Origin, I've not seen any companies. Say, for example, you look at Apple, okay? All companies, when they're new, they crash. That's what investors do, you know. They dump on their... it's a normal thing with any companies, okay? I'm not saying that that's how it should be. If you look at Tesla, you look at Apple. Look at Apple, right? You see this? Initially, the start of Apple, it's very tumultuous. First few years of Apple, very tumultuous. Let me put it into months, so you're able to see what I'm talking about. Pick up any big company or small company. See, when it got listed, went down, then went up, then went all the way back down, went up, had this crazy up and down sideways action, and then came down, pumped, dumped, right? And then it stabilized and just keeps on going up, up and up, right? So it tests. Many companies fail during this process. It's a test of this company, that will it be able to survive, right? So if you look at any company, look at Tesla, for example. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, again, really tumultuous beginning. Look at this. Tesla's beginning. Crazy. Lots of ups and downs. See, if you're an investor, you would go crazy. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Right? It stayed in this range. Stayed in this range for a long time. Right? How many years it stayed here? Almost 1,000 days. 1,000 days before it pumped. Then again, it stayed in this range for a long time. Look at this. As an investor, you have to believe in it to see the money, right? Look where we are right now. Stages, steps. Okay, so Epic Cash. Let me show you Epic Cash. Epic Cash obviously will crash. It's new, okay? So, but what potential it has to go up, right? It will stay in a range for a while, like a channel, right? It will stay in a channel for a little bit, and then it'll get out of this channel. When it gets out of this channel, this is where the most gains are going to come for Epic Cash, right? It'll go up, you know. Once it gets out of this channel, it's going to go up, form another channel. We could come back down here, then go up $10, $12, come back down to this level, have a final blow off top, you know, in 2024, 2025, right? And then, you know, you could drop. Then a huge cycle, a downward cycle would possibly come, right? Like that. Before, you know, a new cycle starts. So, but there's a long way to go up. It's possible we could reach $1,000. You don't know, you know. I'm not an expert, man, but, you know, looking at charts, I'm bullish about everything right now. bullish about everything right now, and the way the cycle is being built, I think we are going to $10 or $12 dump, and then Epic Cash will start its huge cycle up. Yep, we'll see. Crazy, this the way it's looking. Yeah, it's crazy. We'll see step by step, man. I don't want to be too get carried away. We'll see if we are able to have this as a resistance. If Epic Cash, when it dumps, once it goes to say $10, how low we go, that's important. Okay, do we stop here at $1 or we go lower? That'll be a bad dump, going from $10 coming back to $1. That'll be crazy. Okay, so yeah, Epic Cash will dump, obviously, just like any other crypto. Once it goes up, it's going to, that's what people do. They take profits, right? But how far it's gonna go up, right? You don't know. Jam Epic, you can see the effect on the chart. Check what happened in November 2021 after a halving that happened in October 2021. Shrey, please consider that there is a halving in the 25th June 2023. Okay. All right. Big up, Shrey. Epic Cash in the house. All right, guys, it's been more than an hour, right? I've been here. I will see you tomorrow. All right. I'll try to come live every day. Okay. I'll see you later. I don't want this video totally dedicated to Epic Cash, but I said so many times. All right. I'll see you later. Have a good one.